It's finally here. My first look at the paperback copies of my book, Nutrivore. Most common question: what's different between the hardcover edition of my book, Nutrivore, and the paperback? This is the first time I've gotten to see it. I've been staring at the digital file for this cover for so long. It looks even better in person. So I think a lot of the confusion comes from the new subtitle and the new cover design. Hardcover, Nutrivore, the radical new science for getting the nutrients you need from the foods you eat. Paperback, Nutrivore, eat any food, get every nutrient, and transform your health. They're the same book. This one just has a shiny new package and one cool addition. It's actually pretty common to change the cover and sometimes title or subtitle of a book in between when it comes out in hardcover versus paperback. And that's because when the hardcover comes out, you get to see what people think. And in my case, the reviews from people who have read the book are absolutely glowing, outstanding. But from people who haven't read the book, they're confused about whether or not this is the right book for them. So I got to go back to the drawing board and think, how can I better communicate what this book is all about? And that's where the new subtitle came from. Nutrivore is about getting all of the nutrients our bodies need from the foods we eat without engaging in restrictive diet mentality. And because that can help us build sustainable, lifelong, healthy eating patterns, we are actually more likely to achieve our health goals. So, eat any food, get every nutrient, and transform your health. And while I do go through lots of science in this book, it's very 30,000-foot view science, written to be engaging and accessible. Not the nutritional sciences textbook that some people think this one is. This graphic comes from the macronutrient breakdown charts I have on my website. A little academic, but this sandwich is the quintessential example of how simple swaps and easy additions can up your nutrient intake without you having to give up the foods you love. Plus a book in the diet category with a sandwich on the cover? You want to check that out, right? They are the same book with one little addition. Appendix E, tables of the top 12 best food sources, only considering relatively common foods you're likely to be able to find at the grocery store, of 40 nutrients. So now, as you're reading through the book and better understanding the link between nutrition and your specific health concerns, you have an extra place to go to figure out what foods to add to your shopping list this week. I'm incredibly proud of this resource, and this extra appendix just rounds it out that much more. Nutrivore is available wherever books are sold. It also comes in digital format like Kindle and an audiobook, which I narrated. So whichever format is right for you, I hope you check it out.